everyone, welcome back to my channel Grow Your Wings. So how are you all? A warm welcome to all of you, and I hope you're taking care during this pandemic. So guys, I hope you all have applied for Air Arabia job जो मैंने last video में post किया था. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Emirates Airline. It's a very good airline, #1 airline in the world. So Emirates Airline have just started hiring for customer service. So if you want to go and work in Dubai, it's a Dubai based location, is Dubai, so please go. You're not married, you don't have kids, so you don't have to think twice. Please go and work, get the experience, and it's a #1 airline, it's an international airline, so you will have very good experience. So once you come back in Bombay, you can apply anywhere because it's a plus point. Working in abroad, it's a very good thing. So please watch my video till the end, but for this you need to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you think my efforts are helpful, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and please watch my video till the end. Please do not skip anything. So let's get started. So quickly in this video I'm going to discuss each and everything. What are the qualifications and what you have to do, on which side you need to apply. So if you're interested, please be with me. So now Emirates is the world's largest international airline. I hope you all know, with a network that spans over 160 destinations in 85 countries. And we are looking for a customer sales and service professional to join a multicultural team in Dubai. Now the ones who have an experience of call center in BPO or hospitality, any hospitality, can also join this company. Please, it's a very good opportunity. Please work. They will pay you very good amount in dirhams, and Dubai currency is very good. You will make double amount compared to Bombay, compared to Indian currency. So I'm gonna share you the details of it. So what you have to do, so basically you need to identify the customer needs through rapport building activity, seeking out sales opportunity and promoting all Emirates related products, issuing Emirates tickets to customers, ensuring their request is met, and you need to offer them tailor-made travel solution. Actively enhance Emirates revenue earnings by promoting additional service offered by the company and its partners. Be the voice of Emirates and ensure the highest standard of customer service in delivered to Emirates customers by providing the information about the product and services. So basically, as I have already discussed, the person who have experience of BPO, call center or hospitality, please, they are looking for this. Please apply for this job. It's a genuine request from my side. It's a very good opportunity, even compared to cabin crew. Now cabin crew, Air Arabia is hiring, that too in abroad. So as of now, it's a good opportunity. Go and work in Dubai. So I'm gonna discuss again the requirement and what are the requirement and skills. So they need fluency in English and whichever additional language for example Hindi or any other language if apart from English, or Arabic, French or German, Italian, any of this language is must, anyone, and English is mandatory to know. Okay, you should have a good listening and communication skills, excellent service, and close any sales opportunity. So all these things are very very important, guys. So please, it's my request, and you should have an excellent interpersonal, telephonic and customer service skills, and you should be 10+2 from recognized board or university. PC based skills to operate Windows packages including Microsoft Word, Excel or email, everything. So guys, what are you waiting for? Please, it's the right time. Please join, apply. If you face any difficulties while applying or whatever, you creating email ID, please do let me know. I'm there to help you all. So please go and apply, and I wish you all the best. Anything you have, please do message me, and till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon and take care of yourself. Bye bye.